Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gloria Okings. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be attempting this hairstyle. I saw it on Pinterest and so many people were doing it. I was like, can I do this on my 40 natural hair? And I'm not mad at the results. I am definitely not mad at the results. If you guys would like to know how I achieved this style, it's like one of those laid back, you know how you just put your hair up and put like a clip. Yeah, it's one of those styles. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this style, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay,
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should've known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call, it's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car, you saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should've known. Guitar. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should've known.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy. you can't feel anything. She's not gonna give you everything.
So this is my final result. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm not mad because the fact that I was able to achieve the concept of it with my own natural hair actually really nice, because whenever I see people do these styles on Pinterest, they would apply so much gel on their hair in this section, but the fact that I did not use gel and I still sort of kind of achieved the whole concept of the style. The concept of this style, what I basically did was section the front part, section the back as well, like a very tiny part at the back, put the rest of my hair in a high puff, and then took the front part, divided it in two, started with the sides because I realized that if I do it all at once it's going to be bulky. So I started with the sides, put it at the back, used bobby pins to bobby pin it. Then I used the back section, just brushed it out a bit and then held it down with this clip. I got this clip from H&M. That's pretty much how I achieved this style. I'm honestly not mad at the style. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I decided, you know what, since I always do like matured, elegant styles, I may as well just try like the simple natural styles that you can just do on your hair and just go out of the door. So this is one of them. What do you guys think about this hairstyle? I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next